a lightweight smart contact app for managing your contacts loved by millions of people. The contacts can either be stored on your device only, or they can also be synchronized by different means. This phone number smart contact phonebook will help you keep your contacts in one place without the hassle of backing up your contacts, as the contacts backup are always in sync with the contacts you add. Manage contacts with a streamlined home screen, featuring search, edit, a comprehensive list, and a user-friendly sidebar. Simply speak and find with our voice-activated search for instant contact access. Navigate seamlessly with our sidebar. Select contacts, access settings, manage, remove ads, learn about, rate, share, provide feedback, and review privacy policy. Swiftly dial and connect by searching and calling contacts with ease. Manage your contacts. Select, deselect, share, and delete with just a tap. Create contacts by adding name, number, and picture, then save with a simple touch. Enhance your contacts experience. Add to favorites, edit, text, call, and access detailed number information. Personalize your contacts details with ease. Edit name and update pictures. Easily add and organize your favorite contacts with a single touch. Manage your favorites list. Add, update, and delete contacts with a simple touch. Organize your contacts by creating custom groups with a single touch. Simplify group management. Add, update, and delete contacts within your organized lists. Create a comprehensive profile by adding number, name, picture, and save with ease. Customize your experience on the settings screen. Manage your info, font, theme, name format, and new contacts. Thanks for watching.